The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Boone County, southeastern Tioga County, northeastern Susquehanna County, and northeastern Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Vestal or over Endicott, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Binghamton, Vestal, Johnson City, Endicott, Kirkwood, Conklin, Sanford, Susquehanna Depot, and Port Dickinson.
Car shield has plans for getting cold protection.
Alright. Let's pack that one in the suitcases.
Okay, WNEP. Is it just me, or are you just now getting into the point where you're starting to tone weather alerts? Severe ones, to be exact. Huh?